Hi everyone and welcome to the Let It Fly installation and configuration tutorial. To install and configure Let It Fly, you need XAMPP, so go ahead and navigate to apachefriends.org and select your operating system from the Downloads tab at the bottom. I'm using a Mac, so I'll select the Mac option. Wait for the DMG to finish downloading and then locate this file on the disk. Mount the disk image and drag the XAMPP.app from the left onto the Applications folder shortcut on the right hand side, and wait for this to finish copying. Once that's done, go ahead and run XAMPP. On the first time that XAMPP comes up, you may see a few windows. Go ahead and click Open on this, click OK here, and then type in your password. Now when the XAMPP window comes up, go ahead and click on Start and wait for the light to turn green. Head over to Services and click on Start All when all those options become available. And then go ahead and wait for the three items here to have a green light next to them. Now head over to Network and make sure those two options have a green light next to them. Now head back to General and click on Open Terminal. Now in this terminal window, run a couple commands here. We're going to run chmod 777 -r /opt/lamp with two P's, and then run MySQL, and then run create database let it fly with underscores. So let underscore it underscore fly, and then end that statement with a semicolon. You can click Control C to exit out of MariaDB. And now head back over to the XAMPP window. Click on Volumes, click on Mount, and then click on Explore. In the Finder window that comes up, you should be able to see a folder called htdocs towards the bottom there. Go ahead and delete this folder. We'll copy our own over. Now, as part of the Let It Fly project, you should have received a Let It Fly zip file. Go ahead and unzip this file and open up the folder to view the contents. Now select these four items and drag it over to the VM on the right. And wait for these items to finish copying. Now once that's done, head over to the XAMPP window again and click on Open Terminal, and we're going to run a few more commands. So you can just run MySQL, let it fly with the underscores again, then the less than symbol, and then /opt/lamp/db underscore clone.sql, and you can use tab to autocomplete here. Now you can either from here head back to the XAMPP window and then click on Go to Application, or you can open up a web browser and navigate directly to 192.168.64.6, and you should see the Let It Fly project live in your web browser. Congratulations, you now have Let It Fly installed locally on your machine.